What is index-free adjacency in graph databases? Imagine trying to find all your friends connected to you on a social network. Instead of searching through a list or an index, what if your device could just follow a direct link from your profile to theirs? That's essentially what index-free adjacency does in graph databases. In simple terms, index-free adjacency means that each node, or entity, in the database directly points to its connected nodes. Instead of relying on an external index to locate relationships, the database stores pointers or links right within each node. So when you want to see who a person follows or who is friends with whom, the database just follows these pointers directly. This approach makes traversing the graph very fast. Instead of searching through a list or index, the database jumps straight from one node to the next. This means that moving from one person to their friends can happen almost instantly, often in constant time. That is much quicker than traditional databases that need to look up relationships in indexes or tables. For example, if you want to find all the users that a specific user follows, the database doesn't need to search through a list or perform a join operation. It simply follows the pointers stored in that user's node to reach each connected user. This makes queries involving connected data very efficient, which is why graph databases are popular for social networks, recommendation engines, and fraud detection. However, there are some trade-offs. When a highly connected node, like a celebrity with millions of followers, needs to update or remove connections, it can become complex because all those pointers need to be adjusted. Also, if the graph gets very large and cannot fit entirely in memory, relying solely on direct pointers might slow things down compared to using indexes. Sometimes indexes can help by providing quick targeted lookups without loading all data. From a backend developer's perspective, understanding index-free adjacency helps in designing data models that are optimized for fast relationship queries. It allows building APIs that respond quickly when dealing with connected data. Knowing how this storage method works can help you anticipate performance issues, especially with very large or highly connected graphs. In essence, index-free adjacency is a way for graph databases to store and follow relationships directly through pointers. This method avoids the need for index lookups, making traversal operations swift and efficient. It is especially useful when working with data where relationships are central, like social media, recommendation systems, or fraud detection.